In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot so your meetings automatically sync with your CRM and workflows. Start by logging into your Calendly account. This is where the integration begins. Once you're inside, head over to the Integrations or Apps section from your dashboard. This area lets you connect Calendly with other tools, including HubSpot. Now, find HubSpot in the list of available integrations and click on it. Then hit the Connect HubSpot button to begin linking the two platforms. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you select the correct account if you manage multiple portals. After logging in, you'll see a permission screen. Review the access being requested, then click Connect App to approve the integration. Once connected, Calendly and HubSpot will begin syncing automatically. Your scheduled meetings will now create or update contacts inside HubSpot, making it easier to track leads and manage follow-ups. You don't need to manually transfer booking data anymore. Every time someone schedules a meeting through Calendly, that information flows directly into HubSpot, helping your sales and marketing teams stay aligned. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with HubSpot, creating a smoother, more automated workflow for managing appointments and customer relationships.